Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to make this cute Christmas pudding cupcake topper. So to begin with, I'm just going to show you the cutter that I used, and it's a round and wavy edge cutter. As you can see, there's a straight cut on one side and a wavy edge on the other, and it's by PME. They come in a set of 4 and I used the larger one for these toppers. So firstly I rolled out some brown modelling paste to about 5mm thick, and then I'm just using the straight side of the cutter to cut out a circle. Just going to smooth off the edges there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently mould it into a little bit of a oval shape, just gently tweaking it in there, and then using my fingers to smooth off and just curve the ends down slightly, the sides of the shape, just so it makes it look like a bit more like a Christmas pudding curved shape. So here I'm going to use some white modelling paste, and again cutting out the same size circle, and this is for the topping of the Christmas pudding. So as I don't need it all, I'm just going to cut it in half. I'm just going to check that it fits on top of my Christmas pudding. I may need to tweak it a little bit. And now I'm going to use the wavy side of the cutter, just to cut the bottom off the white modelling paste to make it look like drips. And now I'm just going to use my fingers just to further model the paste to make it look more like drips. Now I'm just going to use some clear alcohol to help stick it on top of my pudding, and then again use my fingers just to gently curve it around the top there. So now I'm just going to use the smaller end of a ball tool to mark where the eyes will go. I do this slowly just so I make sure I've got them in the place I want them. And when I'm happy, I'm just going to make the holes a lot deeper so I can get some really big cute eyes in there. So here I'm now going to add some pearl white edible lustre dust to the topping. I hope you can see it in the video. It gives it a really nice shimmer effect. I just do it gently, building it up so you don't put on too much, using my dusting brush. I'm just going to bring it closer to the camera so you can see the shimmer there. Okay, so here I have 2 pea-sized balls of black modelling paste, and I'm just going to stick them into the eye sockets that we made earlier, and then flatten them slightly with my fingers. Now I'm taking a tiny piece of black modelling paste and I'm just going to roll it in my finger so the ends taper a little bit, and this is for the mouth. I'm just going to use a little bit of clear alcohol, then I'm going to use my brush just to pick it up and then gently form it into a nice smile shape. Okay, so now I'm using the small end of my ball tool again to just make some indents for the cheeks. I'm just going to use 2 small balls of pink modelling paste and then flatten them with the smaller end of the ball tool again. So now I'm going to make some highlights for the eyes using 2 tiny balls of white modelling paste, and then just sticking them to the eyes in like 1 o'clock position and flattening them with the ball tool. I find picking them up with a dampened brush is a lot easier. Now I'm going to cut out the holly using a plunger holly cutter and some green modelling paste. Just going to cut out the shape, make sure there are no rough edges, and then press down to create the marks on the holly. So now I'm just going to stick the holly leaves onto the Christmas pudding, and then I'm just going to add 3 small balls of red modelling paste for the berries. Again, I find using a damp brush helps to pick them up. Put them in position and then use my fingers to secure. Lastly, I'm going to create some what look like freckles to be like the little currants in the pudding, with some small balls of dark brown modelling paste, placing them in position and then using the smaller end of the ball tool just to flatten them into circles. And that's your Christmas pudding cupcake topper made. I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas!